Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have an option mirror reflection. So for example, when you have this feature enabled, your front camera photos will be mirrored, and when you have it disabled, they won't be mirrored anymore. Just like this. So I hope you can see the difference, that these both photos are mirrored, so yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.